Shivani Yadav. I am doing political science honors. I have just given my exams of first year. So here Pankaj sir invited me for taking your class. I don't know why, but I think it will be, you will learn something. I will try to teach you or tell you something new. Hope it will be beneficial for you. So before starting, I would like to tell you something, like whatever you want to say, just speak. Okay? Don't feel hesitate. No one will gonna judge you. Just say. If you can't say here, how will you able to speak to the outer world? Okay? So just be confident. Whatever you say, be confident. Believe in yourself. Okay? So we will start this class with a short introduction. Just tell your name and about yourself in 2 or 3 lines. Okay?
My name is Arjun and I will read in 7th class.
My name is Kishan Khan. I study in 6th class and I like to play.
Why are you feeling happy? Just be confident.
My name is Sunny Jain. I am pursuing BA program 3rd year.
My name is Napul Rajput and I am now in class 11th.
My name is Shivani. I study in 11th class.
I'm Anushka Maheshwari. I live in 11th class.
My name is Kirti. As I'm studying the 10th standard now, and I'm so simple.
I am Tashmeen, as you know very well, and I study in 11th class.
Okay. So I think you three are in 11th now. Okay. Which stream?
Commerce.
Oh, I was also from commerce, but now political science. So how will I start? Okay. So firstly, I would like to ask you, what is your goal in your life? What you want to do ultimately? What's your ultimate goal? Ultimate, understand? Okay. At last, what you want to do?
I want to become a doctor in my life, and as you all know that in India there are many persons who are suffering from fevers, and there are many diseases like cancer, asthma problems, and heart problems. So I want to solve the problem of that.
I want to become a doctor in my life because before the God, I am listened before the God, the doctor is the only person which can save a patient life.
I want to be an accountant in my life because there are new rules come in the system. So many other person cannot be able to use these rules. So I am help this person to use these rules.
I want to be a soldier in my life because I wanted to protect my nation for our peoples. That's it.
I want to become a CA. I hope I will reach that goal.
I want to become a CS.
According to my experience till today, I really want to become a person who has a nice job in his life and in his or her life, that he can achieve all those things which all those ones who are hoping from them will come.
As I speak my goal in front of someone, so he said 2 or 3 lines in front of me that I said that I want to become that, but he said that we have to become something in our life. It is automatically by ourselves that we have to become something in our life, and we will be. We will be something in our life, but we have to become a successful and a person who help to the people. So from that statement, I changed my all the views. I just think that I really want to become a person who is helpful to the people, and I really want to be a successful, but at the first I really want to become the helpful.
Firstly, you will have to be something in your life. Someone who has power to change society.
Yeah, you are absolutely right, but in my opinion, I will become something, but before that, I really want to become something that there is a persons around us who are motivators or have a good-hearted person around us. I really want to become that.
That's good. Chirag,
Nakul.
Nakul, okay. Nakul, you said you want to be a soldier in your life,
Yeah.
and you have taken commerce. I think you should go for science and then try for NDA. That will be more better than this.
Yeah, but we can also do many things because we have also CDS and that's many other sites also we have.
CDS.
Yes.
Okay. But it will take 5 years. 11, 12 and then graduation after.
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
apply for
yeah.
that.
But we can also apply for NDA from commerce sites.
No?
Yeah.
You should search.
Because the NDA requirement is only for maths.
NDA requirement is for physics.
Because
and
I am
maths.
talking in defense department only. I am not talking about that. I am talking about defense department. So we can also give training, and we can also about the equipments or weapons. We can also.
It has three departments. Well, we will not give much time on this. It has three departments: Army, Air Force, and then Navy.
Yeah.
You should search. Physics and maths are common. Actually, my cousins have applied for that. That's why. Now, when I was asking for a, I have not taken paper. I was talking to this boy and he was feeling very hesitated. You know, as he has some sort of fear of speaking. Is there something? No, I was saying just speak, be fluent. Fluency is not about how fast you speak. You have heard so many times that person is very fluent speaking, but it's not about how fast he or she speaks. It's about how comfortable you are, how comfortable you feel. It can be slow, fast, doesn't matter. But the thing which really matters is how comfortable you feel. So just be comfortable while you speak. Not only here but everywhere. Okay? So now we should, I would like to ask about your likes and dislikes. Like what kind of person you are. What you like in your life. In your daily life, what's your routine. Okay? It will also, you can reach it as you want. Okay? It can be short, long, as you want. Okay? Now we start from here.
If we are starting from me, so I really want to describe that my schedule is not apart from the different people's, because I am also a kind of student. So I have a regular routine which the students have. Like firstly, if we are just talking about the school days, firstly I went to the school and do lots of work in the school as they tell to us. After that I came to my home and then I refresh myself, and after that I will come to the tuitions, and I have that such kind of routine. So, and recently I also added a single thing which is too much good, that reading of books. So I also like that kind of habit in myself.
Whenever I talk my time schedule, it's really so much simple, because I also dislike habit that I usually like to change my timetable. A new thing is daily editing my timetable that can really help me to being a successful one. That before 2 and 3 days I was reading a novel that was for half an hour, but now I changed it, that was become 15 minutes, and these 15 minutes become so much powerful for my life. That's why, but whenever I talk about my time schedule, the liking thing is that I usually like to make my time schedule so much simple, and it looks so much unique when anybody likes to see.
Okay. How much time do you give on reading?
If we just talking me that how much time I give, so as I am reading that novel, that You Can Win, so sometimes I give 20, and if I just talk about the last, so I will give half an hour to it.
Half an hour.
Yes.
Is it enough?
How
How many friends do you have, Kashmir?
I don't have many friends, I have just 2 friends.
Okay. How long do you know him? You know them?
If I just talk about both of them, I know them like you may call them their shadow. You may call them.
I was asking about time. You know how long?
If you're just talking about time, so I am a beginner. So I just the time I'm giving to it, it's just not a time. I just focusing that how much I am taking the interest and how I get the knowledge from it. I am just not focusing on the time. I'm focusing on the knowledge what I get.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use.
How much?
I don't have a time limit of it because I don't have a personal phone. So whenever my mother gives to me, I'll just use. And when she tells me to give back, so I will give her back. So I don't have a time schedule of it also.
Kirti, how many books you have read till now?
There are approximate 8 or 9.
That's good. And when you started reading?
When I started reading, as it's not stable too, sometimes it can also be.
I'm asking, when did you start your reading? When did you
Yeah,
read your first book?
It was when I was in the 5th standard.
That's good. I started my first book when I was in 8th.
Yes, as I
Calm down. Speak up.
I have not a permanent schedule. As am going to school, I like too much meet my friends, and as coming to home and after coming for tuitions, and I like too much to see the television. I see the movie. I see the half an hour to see the movie.
So it's a hobby to watch TV. Is it your hobby?
No, it is not my hobby. It is not my hobby. My hobby is doing something like drawing, painting.
Creative kind of person. Okay. So how often you draw something?
Like Madhubani painting.
I'm just asking, how much time do you give to your painting? You know, these kind of creative works.
Sorry, I last gave the time to the drawings in school time. I last in 9th class.
Nice.
Yeah.
But it's a hobby, and you give your time when you were in 9th.
Last time it was my in April. It was in the time of holidays. Then I draw a Madhubani painting.
In my school days, I went to my school, and after that I come back and I do homework for school, and I went to tuition and in holidays I like reading to get a good moral for it.
Okay, so don't you take rest after coming from school? I was hearing from her. She was like she likes to read, and no one was like I like to rest. And I am kind of person, if you don't say anything, then I love to sleep whole day.
So I like sleeping very much.
I am just talking about the school routine. That's why I say.
No, life should be like khao, piyo, mauj lo. It's not about just mauj and mauj, but also about hard work. But it should not be like you are in depression, you are working hard, more hard, and then you are like, what is happening in my life? It should not be like that. Just enjoy your life.
As we all are the students, so my daily routine as usual as we go school, and we can also get back from school, but I don't take any type of rest after coming from school, and we can I can also join tuition after some time, and at night I can go sleep.
If you are a commerce student, you should not take rest. That's true, because commerce students don't have that much time. If you have math, then your
But-
life is like
But it is
Third.
not like that. Yeah, if you take any type of stream, you can also study, because art is not easy. I think so that art and science is also not easy. We have to study equally at all three sides.
that's true. You will have to study equally, but not exactly. Like there is a kind of proportion.
Yeah.
Till 12th I was a commerce student, but now I think it's arts. It is in arts. So arts is a creative mind. I think it needs a creative mind. You just have to think about whole world while you are reading.
Yeah.
You have to run your mind here, there, everywhere. So commerce needs more proportion. That's true.
My daily schedule is fixed. I am wake up in 6 o'clock. Then I open my shop, and after this I am taking bath. And 10 o'clock I went to go to my office. And after 6 o'clock I went to go to Jain Starting Point to learn English speaking class. And then I will go my home. Then I have eat dinner, eat food, and after that I am sleeping.
My time schedule is fixed in the school days and but in different in the holidays. I woke up in 6 o'clock in the morning and I will fresh, and after my van comes and I will go my school, and I study and playing in school, and after 6 hours I will come to my home and I eat food, and I take rest about one hour, and after I will wake up and study, and after then I will eat food at night and sleep.
Your mom must be very happy with you, right? He wakes up so early, 6 a.m. That's good. I think everyone should learn from him.
I think he went to school and we also need to make the answers.
Your mom wakes you up. Okay.
If I talking about my timetable, so my timetable is fixed as I woke up early in the morning in 5:30 o'clock, and then I go to temple, and then I went to school, and after coming to school I eating my lunch and taking some rest, and after that I go to tuitions. After coming from the tuition, I playing and watching the TV, and after that I go to spoken class, and after coming I do my homework, and after watch the serials and sleep at night. If I come to my timetable, according to my timetable, I like to play most.
We people say I wake up at 6 p.m., 7 p.m. We should say my mom woke me at 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m.
But in my holidays now I woke up at 7 a.m. myself.
That's good. Now everyone should learn from him.
My timetable is very simple. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and after that I go to the polytechnic classes at 9 o'clock for 3 hours, and after I came to my house and I eat lunch, and then I study 3 subjects, that is English, Maths and Science, and I come in Jain Study Point, and then I go to my house and I dinner.
You know, when you speak, you don't maintain eye contact. Why? See, you come here to learn. So you should learn more and more by yourself. The other person, the teacher only can do for you is, he can teach you. But it's your responsibility to learn more and more. You are sitting here and many other students are sitting here, but maybe they know more than you or you know more than them. It's all about you, how much you consume, how much education you consume. Okay, so whenever you speak, just try to maintain eye contact. If you speak correctly, but if you don't maintain eye contact, the other person will think that he doesn't have any knowledge, he's just speaking and speaking, but doesn't know anything. So confidence must be in your speaking. Okay. I think I have heard everyone, but I think no one have talked about exercise in their daily routine. Why? I would.
But in my holidays, in school time, I have on early morning I have no time to exercise. But in my holidays, I will do exercise.
According to my opinion, all things should not become across all the ones. Something also be left. And I have heard should be left.
Okay.
I also go for the cycling at 7 a.m. and after cycling I go for play the badminton. I didn't play any game.
Don't you like playing?
No, I don't like it.
Neither indoor nor outdoor, nothing.
No, I don't like it. I only like watching TV.
Do you know it's harmful for you?
I know that it's harmful for me. I saw in a limited quantity.
I was never so fond of mobile phones and television. Still, I am wearing this because of my diet. And you are watching. You know it's your hobby, but you should.
It's not my hobby. I only saw my in a limited way. I only saw 1 hour, only 1 day.
So, what do you like to watch in television?
Cartoons I very like much.
And what do you get after watching this?
Nothing. I will get only entertainment.
So, what you do something productive. Okay. Do you watch Discovery, History TV, news channel?
Yes. I saw news channel, Z News at 9 p.m. Sudhir Chaudhary.
Sudeep Chaudhary. And any other female anchor?
No, I didn't see.
This is the time of women empowerment.
I just remember that all news anchor that he sometime he gave a fake news, but only 9 p.m. the Sudhir Chaudhary gave the DNA that is called Daily News Analyze. He gives a whole day of news that what would have in a daily.
When I was in 11, when the session was started, my economics teacher suggested the whole class to watch DNA. I don't know why, I never understood.
It is
but
very good. He get a more knowledge. He at last he gave a question like which biggest roller coaster in the world. Please sir, that after that come add, he gave an answer for it. Very in a daily he gave a questions for people
Okay.
at this like GKs.
Okay. Do you go to gym?
No. In morning, in holidays time, I usually like to do cycling first, and after that I can run approx 1 kilometer daily.
Okay. I think you have that sort of personality. That's why I asked.
I am not doing exercise. My daily routine because I am thinking I will wake up in tomorrow in 5 a.m. but I do not wake up. I wake up only 6 a.m. so I have no exercise more.
Okay, but I think everyone should include exercise in their routine because a healthy body keeps a healthy mind. Last few days I was like I have to start a book. But my health was not just okay, so I didn't do anything. I was just lying on bed all the time, and I was hating that. I was like I should have included exercise in my daily routine. Then I can do something good in my life. You can't do it if you are just sitting, watching TV, using social media. What you are doing? You are doing nothing. Whatever you do, just think at least once. If you do this, then what will be a result? What will you get after doing this? Okay. So I think you all can speak very well. But I just tell you what I had learned when I started my class. When you started learning, you should learn 4 things: read, write, speak, and listen. So according to you, I would like to ask from you guys what you think which is the most important. Learning, listening, speaking, reading, or writing. Which one?
In my opinion, there are 4 things which are very important for us.
All are important, but which is the most important?
They are 4 important because when we listen and after that we read, after that when we read, after that we write and we speak fluently.
I think listening is the most important in all the 4.
Why?
If we listen something, then we have interest on read, learn, and write. So that's why listening is the most important.
I think so that reading is most important because when we read something we can get knowledge, and through that knowledge we can speak in front of others. But when we because as we all said that 4 are also important, but when we read we get extra more knowledge. We can also speak to others, and we can also give knowledge, and we can also speak against of that if we know only about that topic.
I think these 4 are like our fingers. Not even a single one is important. All 4 are important for us. If we really want to speak something, we really have to do these 4 things, because if we are just reading something, we are not able to understand it fully. So it is not able to that we can able to speak. And we are just talking about writing. Without reading, writing is not possible. And what about listening? Listening is not the one that if we are listening something, we can able to speak in front of someone. We can able, but we don't know fully that that thing is right or wrong. We have to search fully ourselves, then we are able to. And the 4th thing is really writing, speaking. Speaking is something that from all that we can able to speak. So these 4 are important for us.
According to my opinion, these 4 ones are a pedal and wheel of a cycle. If the one will be missing, then the cycle could not be moved. Similarly, according to your question, as you asked the one, according to my opinion, it will be the reading, because sometimes listening also should not be complete. It can be also limited one. And if we listen, we can also have an interest to read one. If we read, then all those 3 which are the concept can also be read.
Yeah.
I want to tell you that as Will said, the 4 is all important. But in my opinion, the listening is the most important part for everyone's life. As we can take the example, the small children, they can't able to write something. So they only listen to their parents and their colleagues, friends, and their relatives. So they can know they can able to know little bit, and by the little bit knowledge they can able to reading, and after that they write, and as they are learned therefore 3. So after the knowledge of three things, so they can also able to speak it.
I think the four are important because without reading we can't speak, because by reading we can gain more knowledge with reading, and by listening we will know new words and many things. And by writing, if we write some things, so if one day I will give example that if we have an idea on one day, and if we don't write it in a diary or a notebook, so we will forget about that. So writing is also important, and
It also helps in creativity.
yes.
You keep your mind creative. When you used to give article when we were in 9-10, I used to write, and it was the best part of that time, because I feel on that time I was the most creative that I was never.
I think these all four are important, but you ask most important. So in my opinion, reading is most important, because if we don't read anything, so we are not able to understand something or tell something. And if we read something, so we are capable to understand or tell something.
Okay. I think listening is.
In my opinion, these four things are very important in our life, but in main thing, reading is the most important part in our life, because you can get, if you are reading, you can get more knowledge about new words, new thing, how can you use should, could, these things. So I think reading is the most important part in our life.
But this short quote you told just now, it is a part of grammar, and grammar will help you till a point. Further, you will only reading will help you.
But if you are reading, so you can, many times these things are regularly come in the reading, so you can find how can use the should word, how can use the could word. So I think this is also the most important.
But you can learn that in grammar classes. Listen now. Now, I think listening is the most important, because it evokes your interest in speaking. If you don't know how other person speak, you see a person, he speaks very well, very fluently, and many people are influenced by him. Then you also would love to speak like him. That would evoke your interest, right? So that's true that all four are important, no doubt, all four are important, but listening is the most important, because it is the starting point when you evoke your interest. That's why there is nothing another reason. This is the only reason, because it evokes our interest. That's it. So now, what do you think? Which grammar part is the most important in speaking?
As we know that tenses, typical sentences, such kind of things are important, but firstly the speaking skills are important.
Speaking skills come later, but in starting, if we talk about grammar,
Now, I think the verb and the tenses are most important.
if I talk about myself or anyone else, so typical sentence and tense are enough. If you give your 1 month completely, if you devote yourself to typical sentence and tense, you can speak, and then give your time to reading. Any doubt? I think you have started from typical sentences and tense, because I now let's talk about women empowerment. What's it? Actually, I'm a political science student. I was just reading many books on it. So let's talk on it. What do you think? What is women empowerment? Nothing.
I think so nowadays in India the population of the women is increasing by day. So the power of the woman is get a more high level than the power of the men's. As the power of the women's, they can women can do anything as they want to. So that's
If we are just talking about women empowerment, this is a topic which is too much popular nowadays.
Okay, so wait, let's change it. You know, there should be a kind of twist. Women are giving their contribution to NGO and these social works.
And
Global warming. As you see, you can feel Delhi's hotness.
so I have to talk about global warming or the NGOs and all.
Mixed.
Okay, we have to make it.
See, women are giving their contribution to NGOs and social work. Even I also love to do these kind of things. So let's talk about it. Is it good that they are taking their steps out of their homes to do something towards society?
Of course, that is too much good. That is something which they love to do. That is something which is they are serving their nations also in a kind of way. And the thing they are doing, it's like we can call that is our real heaven in front of the eyes, because we are giving happiness to the peoples. We are spreading happiness in our environment. So from that we get happiness, and that is something which is too much big from any other kind of happiness. And I also love to get that work. I really want that kind of opportunity in my life to do that thing, and in my life, and that thing is something which is good for us. But in my opinion, the old age homes are also increasing day by day. It should good in a kind of way that people are not crawling on the roads and all, but they are increasing just because of the people are not giving the importance to them. So that is a side effect of it also. But yeah, women are playing a very vital role in this.
I think you didn't like this topic, so I just mixed it. You can separate them if you talk about global warming, if you want to say something on it. So
I want to say about the global warming. As we all know that now our climate is very hot, and it is also being created hot by the peoples. No one can change it. If we can aware about this, only we can also able to change this. People are I read a thought today that people are usually give money to buy a AC of 50,000, but they cannot plant a one tree for 50 rupees only. They cannot. They don't want it to save the nature. They only wanted to cool their mind, or they can only wanted. They only wanted to think about themselves.
they want.
They want.
Don't you think it's a consequence of human mistakes?
Yeah. Because as the pollution is also increasing in our day-to-day life, and as our Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal also do odd even about the cars, but no one is following. Some days it would be followed, but after that no one follow it. So there are many reasons. I will talk about that.
Do you think autism was beneficial for Delhi?
No, because there are many people's only even vehicle, or there are many people have only odd vehicle. So if you are going in odd day, so you cannot use even vehicles. So that people are seeing if that people are used to the even vehicle. So policeman challan this people. This is not good if you are going some important work. So you have a even car, even number car, or in this day they have a odd number day. So you cannot use, you cannot go in your important work. So it is not good in our country.
But,
But,
you may
Can I answer? Yeah, Niti.
you may use public transports.
Yeah, but they are very, I think they are very,
Congested.
there are many people are use this public vehicles, but I don't like to use the because they are very time taking. Firstly you can book the Ola and that they have come a lots of time.
There are DTC, Delhi Metro.
Firstly you are going to use rickshaw to go to the bus stand, and after this you can take bus, and that if you have a car so you can sit in your house, and after that you can go in
It's all
somewhere.
about opinion, but it will pollute our environment, and it is doing.
Yeah, I am agree for your statement, but
No, but you should see now this climate is a cause of global warming. Global warming is a reason for our suffering.
There is also a different kind of factor which is affecting the global warming, that is the cutting of trees.
We have already spoken on it.
But we are just focusing on the pollution only. We are not focusing on that thing also.
Yeah, but you are now you are not connecting with NGOs. You are not seeing many NGOs are working toward it. They are the people who are connected with it. They are focusing on this problem. They are contributing their best. They are doing their best to influence people, but mentality we don't want to understand. Anyone else? Anything, whatever you.
Global warming is very harmful for our environment because the temperature of the Delhi is very high, and in Chulu there are 50 degree above the 50
49
degree
degrees.
above the 50 degree Celsius temperature.
Today is 51 in Churu.
But
Tomorrow it will,
49.
yesterday it is 50.
So this is very harmful for our environment, and by this I have listened in the news that if the heat is increasing day by day, so the glacier will be melt, and a part of America, I don't know about that name, a part of America and the Tokyo of Japan will be lost in the sea. And I have seen that in China in morning the environment is full of pollution, but in evening the environment is free of pollution. So the China has make a machine that will be make pollution in a sand particles, which will be used for farming about 100-200 years. After 100-200 years.
Do you think this kind of technology should be invented in India?
Yes, it will be come in India. It can come.
It can come, but you think our politicians will make it happen?
I think yes. But in the politics there is a wrong party and a right party. So I think right so they can. And the most big reason is the AC and the vehicles. The government has made a rule that not to use the vehicles which is 10 years old, but the people is using the vehicles about 30 years old. They are not follow the rules of the government, and
I think there should be
But,
a limit of air conditioners and vehicles in a factory.
And as you said that about the limit of as it is the limit of only 15 years, and people can, if people can use that vehicle on main road or like highways, the police will also get some strict rule for that also. We can only use that vehicle in local areas only.
No,
you have
there are many lower 18 years old children are use vehicle in highways because they have no, if a policeman is held him, so they have give 200 rupees and they.
But this is the other thing I am talking about, the vehicles which is old or which is new.
but the government has make a rule that you have to follow this rule, that not to use.
Everybody is following, but most of the peoples and
It's all about corruption.
yeah, you can also say that.
Okay, what do you think about deliberate democracy? When deliberate democracy is all about when you represent your views with your politicians and with your fellow citizens, and then all get together, just go to a conclusion which is accepted by everyone. Do you think there should be a deliberate democracy where you have a right to react, to represent your thinking, your mentality, what you think there should be happen to enhancement of India?
According to my opinion, there should be no, because our India is less developed than other countries, because our government are listening about their peoples. If we really wanted to make our country successful, we need to become all like all other countries like China. The same rule about the cycling was had in the China and India too. Whereas on the one announcement, all the people become strict and usually like to do the cycling. No one will be put out their vehicles from their house. Whereas when we compare the India and those ones, as the government has no strict rules, all the peoples are following the vehicles, and the person who think that we should be follow are also using the vehicle regularly. If these types of things will be then India become more less developed than other countries.
I think it's all about rapport. People think if we use cycle, then what will other think? And it's about you are seeing show off.
I was only giving the example that according to your question, I was only giving the example to what it. Whereas there is a huge once example when we compare that our India is because less developed as we are listening about the peoples. That's why if we really wanted to see the stairs of the success, then we should not listen to others.
But I think so our India not focus on the government of India, not focus on the people, because as you saw the Pulwama Hamla, on that time the Narendra Modi do the surgical strike second, and all the people are not know about this, but after they woke in the morning, the newspaper are coming in their house, so they see and they open the TV news, and the people are not know fully after the night they know.
According to my example, there is no connection between the surgical strike or the
You
cycling.
say that our government of India are only firstly they are focus on the public, and they are talking with the public, and after that they are show the result.
Our India has a democracy, but it is really not be on the path of democracy. the government which are following which show the rule to be followed, the peoples are not listening them. It means that the government are not being following put out the rule or announcing the rule. The government are the peoples who are making the government are announcing their own rules. So according to my opinion, there should be no government if there will be these types of things will be happening.
You said that.
If there will not be any government, then
Yeah,
how
how-
will India work?
Yes.
I was before some time I was also giving the example that if the peoples are not listening about their government, so what are the benefit to have a government?
But I think there is no democracy now.
I was
There is
also
no
saying
democracy.
that when we talk about the India's democracy, there is only a name to have
It
a
has
India as a
finished
democracy. Yeah, but we are not on the path.
But I want to know from you that in which case the government should listen from the peoples, about peoples.
They should not listen. I was in the unfavor that government should not listen their peoples. If they are listening their people, we are not able to see the stairs to being a successful.
But,
But
now government is not also listening about peoples.
Media should not be biased. The fact is, media is biased. They just want to, they just speak what the political party, a particular political party wants them to speak. That's why I'm saying there is no democracy. You can't vote the person you want. If you are voting, the another party will win. It is happening. Maybe here some people are sitting who are BJP supporters, but that's a fact. See, in newspapers, on news channels, I was seeing BJP will not win. Modi haters were increasing day by day. Demonetization has no benefit. Maybe GST has, but demonetization was useless. Whether you agree or not, but it was useless. But people don't want to understand. They are feeling like Modi Bhakt. You just come forward, just think about it practically.
Just see the one and the last thing, that is a surgical strike. Because of it, the people votes to him, and if he didn't do that,
Why did it happen at the time,
Of
at the last
elections?
moment of election when
Yeah.
there was a party of Atal Bihari Vajpayee? This kind of situation was raised
Yeah.
then. Why? Just
So-
think practically.
You are talking about Modi Bhakt. You can also tell me which party is working for our India.
No party is working,
So-
but I am working. I am talking about Modi.
It is not
Yeah,
that
see,
Modi Bhakt,
first-
because you know that Modi is doing work for our country. You know.
You tell me,
But
which
okay,
I
don't-
okay, I
I
will
will
tell you.
tell you.
Okay,
I will tell you.
okay,
The
I will.
Modi has made
Yeah, you can.
the Modi has made the world's
Made.
yes, yes. Made the world's